Hello students, let us discuss the chromatography technique. It is a separation technique. This technique is used for those solutes, two or more than two solute when dissolved in the same solvent. We use this particular technique. To explain this particular technique, let me discuss the activity. For this activity, let us take a filter paper. Let us take a filter paper. Suppose this is the filter paper, and we are cutting the filter paper in the form of a strip like this. This is the filter paper. In this filter paper, draw a line 3 centimeter above. Draw a line with a pencil and give a drop of ink. Give a drop of ink. Suppose black ink. You give a drop of ink, black ink. Black ink. Let it be dry. Give the ink drop, let it be dry. In the meantime, you take a glass, like this you take a glass, and in this glass take water. Now after drying this particular ink spot, put this filter paper in this glass, like this. Put the filter paper in this glass such a way that the ink drop will be above the water. The ink drop should not touch the water. Wait for some time, you will observe that water level is going up in this filter paper. The filter paper has many small pores, so these pores, because of these pores, the filter paper will absorb the water and water level will move up. When the water level move up, you will find that this spot is also moving, and two more spots you are getting above. One is blue and another one is red. We know that black ink is a dye which is produced by mixing two different colored dye. One is blue and another one is red. We can prove that one also from this activity. Now these two soluble dye is dissolving in the same solvent in water. So they are separated in this way. Now the colored dye which is more soluble in water, whose solubility is more, that dye will move faster and you will get that spot above, and another one will be below. Not only with the help of a black ink, you can do this activity with other colored substances also. If they are organic dye, then you will get them in the separated different spots, different colored spot by this particular method. This method is called chromatography because chroma meaning is color in Greek. Initially, this method was used for separating the different colors from a mixer. So this is called chromatography. So this is the chromatography technique. Chromatography technique is very important and very common and very easy also. You can use this particular activity to do at home also. You need a porous material. Here we are taking the filter paper, but you can take a cotton cloth also. Make a nice strip of cotton cloth and give a spot of ink here, black ink here, and put in this water. The water level will move above with different spots. The spots which is at the topmost, that one's solubility is the highest, that one you can come to know. You will get different spots in the different region above this original spot, main spot. These are depending on the solubility. So this is the chromatography technique. It is very easy to do at home also. You can try this particular activity at home also. Thank you.